If you don't know me, I'm Nancy Gardner, and I have a funny story to share with you. There's a wonderful community of women called the Becoming Ellie community, and I was invited to be a speaker on their podcast, which I had never done before. And I did not know the podcast, how the format was, and at the end, they typically, Chris and Jill, will ask questions about, well, as a Tai Chi person and teacher and instructor and Qigong and all the work that I do, how do I eat? In my head, the one little voice was saying, you don't really want to talk about that bag of potato chips and chip dip. I mean, I know you do talk about it sometimes in the right time, in the right setting. I know. And out of my mouth, when they asked how I ate, was, well, I'm not vegetarian. I don't buy a lot of meat at the house. And my little voice was like, oh yeah, right, that was a nice recovery. Yeah, that was the best I could do, all right? Anyway, I do eat relatively healthy, and I do love some of the unhealthy things too. And I watch the proportion of it, I keep my body moving, and the most important thing is if I'm going to eat that Breyer's mint chocolate chip ice cream that happens to be in my refrigerator, that's really just my coffee condiment. On occasion, as a bowl of ice cream, I never will say, I shouldn't do this, I shouldn't do this, because then I should not do that. When I do it with pure pleasure and enjoy every little bit of it, and I balance it with healthier eating too, then my body knows how to handle it and I have the right appreciation. So that's my little story. Becoming Ellie community, awesome group of women sharing their stories and tips to help each other get healthier on our journeys. Nice talking with you.